What is up, everybody? Thank you for joining me in this 2-minute post-workout stretch. Today's stretch, we're gonna focus all on the legs, okay? That lower body that you can do right after that run, right after that workout. It's up to you. All right, nice and easy. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. We just wanna slow down that breathing. We pull in that right foot, right quad stretch first. All right, so again, if you just worked out, you just ran, you're probably breathing heavy. Slow the breathing down, nice deep breaths, okay? Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Switch sides, other foot up. Great job, everybody. Again, nice and easy. You're bringing down that body. Feel the stretch right there in the left quad here, front of that left leg. Pull that foot in, knees towards the ground. Back is nice and tall. All right, great job. Go ahead and bring it on back. Right foot stepping over my left foot. We're gonna go into a hamstring back of the leg stretch. Reach for the ground, reach for the toes. All right, doesn't matter how far you're reaching down, okay? Some of us more flexible than others. Bring it back up, other leg over. As long as you're feeling the stretch, that's the important part, okay? Reach it on down. Still breathing. Great job, everybody. All right, bring it on back up. We're going into a standing figure 4. You're gonna take that right ankle, put it over the left quad here. Sit it on back, nice and slow, all right? Back is tall, bottom back. Feel the stretch right in the back of the right leg here, stretching out the glutes. All right, nice and easy. Switch it over to the other foot. Other side over. Nice, good standing. If you do need help with the balance, you can hold an object. You can hold the wall if you need to. All right, I know we just worked out. You maybe just be out of breath, out of balance, that's okay. Bring it on up, all right? We're gonna go into some calf stretches. Last stretch for today. Right foot steps back, heel back. Back is nice and tall. Front knee bent. Push back in that heel, okay? You kind of reach it to the ground. All right, switch feet, other side. Left foot steps back. Push back, front foot nice and flat on the ground. I'm trying to get my heel back. All right, if it touches the ground, good for you. If it's not, don't worry about it, as long as you're feeling that stretch. All right, bring it on up. Inhale as you reach the hands up. Exhale as you come down. Great job, everybody. Remember, stay fit, stay flexed, and see you next time.